Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Apple TV remote application is stuck on searching and not finding your Apple TV, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can basically try. So the Apple TV and your iPhone must be on the exact same Wi-Fi network. If your router has 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz with different names, you just have to make sure that both the devices are connected to the same one. Now, even if internet works, different networks will stop detection completely. The remote feature uses both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So you can go to your iPhone settings and you can basically turn on the Bluetooth. You can also enable the local network access for the Apple TV remote or for control center remote. Now, without these two permissions, the app cannot discover the Apple TV. So you just have to make sure that you enable these first. Now, temporary glitches can also block the connection. So in this situation, you can simply just restart your Apple TV from the settings, or you can unplug it, then restart your iPhone as well. After both the devices restart, you can open the remote again and check it. Now, if your Apple TV is not detected automatically, you can open the remote in the control center. After that, you can tap on the option of choose a TV, then select your Apple TV manually if it appears. After that, you can enter the pairing code shown on your TV screen and you are good to go. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Apple TV remote is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.